The common wire completes the 24-volt circuit to provide continuous power to a thermostat, so it does not rely on batteries. A common wire, often called the C-wire, is the return path for the 24-volt transformer that powers modern smart thermostats and controls. It completes the circuit from the transformer secondary and feeds the thermostat with steady power rather than intermittent battery power, which prevents frequent battery changes and rebooting. On a typical 5-wire thermostat cable, the common conductor is commonly blue, but wire color is not guaranteed, so always verify at the air handler or furnace control board before connecting. If you open the control panel, locate the transformer secondary terminals. Identify the side tied to your R or hot feed, and the opposite side that is available to land on C at both the control board and the thermostat. For older homes that only have 4 conductor cable, the reliable fix is to run a new 5-conductor cable between the thermostat and air handler, or use a professionally configured power extender kit that safely supplies a C equivalent without compromising control signals. When adding a wire, turn off all power at the service switch, label each conductor, and secure connections under the correct screw terminals to avoid stray shorts or miswiring. Common mistakes include assuming wire colors always match the function, which can lead to connecting the wrong conductor. Always trace and confirm at the control board before attaching. Another issue is using improvised jumpers or sharing the C with other equipment, which can overload the transformer. If power demands are high, upgrade to a higher capacity transformer or run dedicated wiring. Third, homeowners sometimes try to force a connection without turning power off and risk damage or shock. Always de-energize the system and double-check with a multimeter, or hire a qualified technician if you are uncomfortable. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and allow contractors to find new work through our listings. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical advice and first-hand experiences about wiring, installation options, and troubleshooting.